Joe. I am a teacher here at Mark for Future. You might have seen me in other videos, you might not. Well, this is a SeaScope, as it says on the tin. What's a SeaScope? Well, if I can pronounce it correctly, it's a telescope. It looks like a telescope, but it's battery powered. And what we can do is we can view creatures that are on top of the water and in the water as well using this telescope. It's a really cool tool for the kids to use. So we focus it, and we can look at our little turtle, Johnny down here, who's having a nice walk around. And we can look through, and we can see if we can find him in the water. Or we can look at our fish in the water as well. Great. Now, Infa's going to help me have a look. There we go. You're going to put that there. She's going to have a quick look through the scope to see if she can see the turtle as well. Ah, well done. She's following Donnie now on his footsteps around his new enclosure. So zoom in and see a little bit more what he's doing today. We also got a new addition to our family, a frog. We haven't named him yet. Some new fish as well. So we make sure that our kids are involved in nature as much as possible. Yeah, easy, nothing. It's very blurry. It's very blurry. Donnie, close your eyes.